Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options available on this VIVO. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Sound. Then click on Vibrate Vocals and tap on the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. When you finished, tap on the back button. Now you need to click on this switcher next to notification vibration if you wish to disable or enable it. Finally, scroll down and tap on those switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, touch vibrations, and vibrates when the other party answers or hangs up, to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!